Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account on Admirals. And if you want to verify your account on Admirals, that is most of the time because you want the open live account. Right now we are here with my demo trading account, and I like demo trading because I can exercise my trading. But if you want to make money and profits, you want to use a real trading account. So what you need to do from here is quite simple. You click right here on open live account, and then they tell us right here in product offer setup. And to use a live account, we need to give them answers for all the questions that they sent us. So if you want to verify your account, you just click right here on start setting up, and then make sure that you answer all the questions correctly. And this will cost you around 50 minutes. And then once you did all the steps, you're verified and can start trading with a live account. So this is what you need to do to verify your account. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.